Yo, what's going on guys? JojanPlays here. Today, I learned NVIDIA's RTX Voice works on older GTX graphics card. NVIDIA RTX Voice features that eliminates background noises that would otherwise come through your microphone debut exclusively on costly RTX graphics card. This is a good way to extend the utility of older hardware if you don't want to upgrade yet. One of the best features for RTX GPU now works with GTX graphics cards. RTX Voice introduced with NVIDIA's Turing cards, giving RTX owners the ability to block out background noise for better audio in video calls, and doing a great job of it. In fact, we label this as one of the best features delivered by the RTX 2000 series. If your graphics card is running NVIDIA's 410.18 driver, models down to the GTX 600 series, released in 2012, should be able to run the feature once you download it. I'll put the link down in the description below. If you're in the website, scroll down until you see the setup guide and click the highlighted RTX Voice. I already downloaded the driver, so I'm just gonna cancel it. Once the driver download complete, open the driver and then click agree and continue. The installation should start. Once the installation complete, click done. The RTX should start. The RTX voice will appear. Then in the input device, select your microphone. Check the box that says remove background noise from my microphone. In the output device, select your headset that you use. There are some guides in the website on how to configure the RTX voice in Discord. Hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. My name is JojanPlays. Until next time, bye!